You guys want to blowout details? Don't worry, I got you. Let's unpack this. I would like to thank Revair for sponsoring this video and sending all of this over. This is considered their total package, and I'm so happy to be collaborating with them because you guys know this is a tried and true brand for me. So let's get started. Hello. That's better. Now, if you guys have been following me on Instagram, then you know that I'm a blowout natural now, and I constantly straighten and blow out my hair. As a hairstyle, I don't do my twist outs like I used to. So this deep hydration hair care collection from Revair is right on time because moisture is definitely something that I need to keep in my hair since I'm straightening it more often. Oh my God, so cute. This little toad is so cute. Immediately, yes, so cute. I was so excited to get all of these hair care goodies. You guys have seen these on my channel for years, so it's nice to get a re-up of all of my faves and to know that Revair does care about the health of your hair, not just selling you another tool. Oh, whoa. Oh my God, it's so tiny. So cute. It's so small now. Oh my goodness. It's like a little baby. That was my genuine reaction because I actually can't believe how small and tiny everything is now and how far the company has come. I absolutely love the upgrade and I can't wait to get started. So let's jump into it. Ready. Now this particular wash day, I was coming back from my friend's wedding, so I did have a lot of hairspray, edge control, and heat protectant in my hair, which also means silicones. I did need to detox, shampoo really well, and deep condition. And thankfully, Revair's Extreme Hydration Collection has 3 products to help with all of that. They have their Detox Pre-Wash Rinse, their Cleansing Oil Shampoo, and their Deep Conditioning Treatment. This is what my hair is looking like, and I know it doesn't seem like there's a lot of product in my hair, but trust me, it was in there and I could definitely feel it when I touched it, so it had to come out today. This Detox Pre-Wash Rinse is the first step in a 2-step cleansing process. They also recommend you use this with the Extreme Hydration Cleansing Oil Shampoo, which is great because I am. But this step helps remove impurities, excess oil, and product buildup, which is exactly what I need for a refreshed scalp and a clean start. It includes coconut water, apple cider vinegar, and a lot of antioxidants to really help reset your hair and prepare it for step 2. This product smells minty, and as you see, I'm concentrating it on my scalp and around my edges because that's what I think needs the most help this wash day. I really like this. I have been into rinses a lot lately just because I feel like it gives you that natural reset. This one I would consider low lather, but still highly effective. The second step in this 2-step cleansing process is the Extreme Hydration Cleansing Oil Shampoo. This shampoo removes dirt, product buildup, and pollutants. This is formulated to work together with the Detox Rinse, and it is infused with coconut water, hyaluronic acid, and olive leaf extract for extra hydration. This product has a classic perfumey ocean aqua smell to it. I can't really describe it, but I do really like it. I think it smells good. And as you see here, I am placing the shampoo throughout my hair because I still have thick hair and it needs to travel, okay? I did shampoo more than once this wash day because I needed it, but I do think that this shampoo is very hydrating. And the last step from their Extreme Hydration collection that I'm going to use is the Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. This is going to help restore moisture while also providing smooth slip for easy detangling, which I absolutely need. As a straight natural, I know I have to baby my ends even more than before, so I am concentrating it on the ends of my hair. This product also has coconut water, hyaluronic acid, and olive leaf extract to help revive and hydrate moisture-starved strands. I feel like this is extremely moisturizing, and as you guys can see, I am placing the product in my hair because it needs to coat every single strand. Once again, I need all the hydration I can get. This has the same fragrance as the shampoo, that aqua ocean smell, and I did go back and thoroughly detangle my hair with this, so I can vouch for it having a lot of slip.
I also sat under a hooded dryer to intensify the penetration of the mask, but honestly, it sinks in so easily and absorbs very quickly. So this is what my hair is looking like after I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. As you guys can see, my texture is a lot looser than it used to be, but my hair is definitely moisturized and feeling plump and juicy. Now this product is from Revair's Boost Fullness collection. This is their nourishing scalp and hair conditioning leave-in treatment, and it's supposed to promote and support a healthy growth cycle while also improving hair density. Now you guys know I don't have density issues, so I am using this as prep before I use the reverse air dryer. This leave-in conditioner is infused with biotin, vitamin E, turmeric extract, and amino acids to help support strong and visibly healthy hair. And now it is time. I have started using the reverse air dryer, not a blow dryer, on the one half of my head, and there were some adjustments that I needed to make, but this is what my hair is looking like, and I'm going to show you guys on the right side, your left side of my head. That sound literally never gets old. It's like, beam me up, Scotty, okay? I'm about to take off. But here you can see me putting it on the high heat setting, and I am putting the reverse air dryer all the way up to my scalp. They advise this if you do have coily hair. I did leave it on the level 6 because that's what I felt like I was most comfortable with. You don't always have to go all the way up to 7. You can just put it up to your scalp, hold it there for however many seconds you need, and then pull away to reveal hair that is straightened, and for me at the root is also pretty straightened. Now at this point in the game, my hair is pretty quote-unquote heat trained to the point where my roots do get pretty straight, but even though that is the case, I can still preserve the health of my hair for as long as possible with a tool like this. To me, I don't have as much heat damage as if I was using something with extreme high heat. It's also the ease of use because I don't have a whole bunch of breakage or shedding or anything like that, and I also end up saving a lot of time. I do think this Revair gets hotter than my original one, and so I think that has cut down on my drying time even more. If you are not a blowout natural like me and you don't do this on a consistent basis, just know that this Revair has 7 different tension settings and it has 3 different heat levels, so it's perfect for a lot of different hair types. I personally am trying to grow my hair out this year because y'all know I was Bobbiana forever, okay? I keeps me a bob, but now I want to be able to throw my hair up into a ponytail just because it takes up less mental real estate. As a straight natural, I feel like one of the things I'm kind of scared of is thinning out ends because I think that is a thing. But with a tool like this, I kind of don't have to worry about that, to be honest. It literally eliminates it for me.
And baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down.
So now on to the actual styling details. You're going to need 2 satin scrunchies, hair long enough to put in a top knot all the way on the top of your head. When you put them on, you're going to leave it a little bit loose. I'm going to go around 3 times in this, but you can go around however many times you feel necessary. And yes, you did just blow out your hair to re-wet it, but missed it, okay? Do not re-wet it completely. Then you're going to do a little cinnamon swirl, cinnamon twist, top knot, bantu knot, whatever you guys call these. Y'all saw what I did. Do one of those. And I'm going to tie down my edges just because that's what I always do. And we're going to seal that in with a bonnet because we don't want our hair to get roughed up at night. Now, the beautiful chaotic thing about this hairstyle is that it comes out a little bit different every time. You are not going to get exact results, but I do really like it because it gives that effortless, carefree, I didn't try too hard, I woke up like this beachy wave that gives you the volume and it gives you the flow without a whole bunch of high heat. I've also really been into not having defined parts in my hair, so you see me flipping it the other way because I actually like this way a bit more, but that's the versatility of the hairstyle. You can switch it up as you go. This hairstyle is going to last you approximately 3.5 seconds because I didn't put any kind of holding product in my hair, so I only put moisturizing product and heat protecting products, but not a holding product. So if you do want to see this hairstyle with a holding product, then let me know because there's actually different variations of the blowouts that I do. I was thinking about doing a blowout series, so if you guys are interested in that, then let me know. But back to the specs about the machine. You guys know I have been using the Revair for years. I think it's 6 years. 6? Yeah, I was about to say 7, but I think it's 6 years now, going on 7. And so this is the upgrade, and I love it. Okay, love it. I think this is like infinitely tinier and more portable, so this would be the one that I would take with me if I ever needed to go somewhere. And the other one would be the home-based one, which still works perfectly fine. I think this one gets a little bit hotter and it cuts down on my drying time. So as far as reverse air dryers go, if you don't have it yet, get this one. But if you have your old one, it's still tried and true. This kind of innovation is still one of the greatest, and I highly recommend. Another upgrade that I am a huge fan of is the digital screen that they put on here. So instead of the dial that was on the first one, they have the digital screen that's on this one, and you can go up and down depending on, you know, your preference. But like that. Now, one thing I do have to get used to going from the old model to the new model is that the holder for the wand is not on the countertop. It's on the actual machine now. And that I was like a little struggling with, because I was like just ready to, you know, sit it there, and it wasn't there. Like there was nothing there. So this had to go completely on the countertop. It's also not a holder where you sit something in. You kind of like hook it on. So that was like a little bit of an adjustment for me. It sits on the countertop now, which is great. And I think having everything a little bit higher up is cool. If you guys are in the market for a hair tool that is going to preserve and sustain the health of your hair for years to come, then I highly recommend this one. The reverse air dryer, you guys have seen over the years, has done me wonders. I believe that it is a well-constructed piece of machinery that is worth your investment. So if you want to add it into your hair routine, then you can click the link down below. You can use my code EVANIREV for 10% off your purchase. And since the holidays are here, I think it's the perfect time to go shopping for one. And for all of my blowout natural, straight natural girlies, this tool, this is the one. Thank you once again to Revair for sponsoring this video and sending all of these products over. They are amazing. And thank you all, of course, for watching. Bye, guys.